Hello my dear viewers. Today I will show you how I crocheted this square. It can be used as a stand for a bunny or a stand for a mug. In general, you choose yourself where you will use this work. I knitted this napkin from leftover yarn. Yarn remnants I took different colors. The square is not very big. However, such squares will make a great plaid or a gorgeous pillow. The thicker the yarn you will use, the bigger and more lush will turn out this motif. Therefore, do not be afraid to experiment. Do not throw away the leftover yarn. Tie such a napkin, you will definitely need it. I know that a lot of people have leftover skeins of yarn like this, and there's nowhere to put them. So knit a square motif like this. And then, from such squares you can. By the way, if you are interested in this bunny, the scheme is in my Telegram channel. In one of my videos I described how I crocheted it. And so, in my Telegram channel I post schemes of many works. Here's a bunny. I'm knitting my second bunny. When I finish it, its scheme will be in my Telegram channel, and there is still very much interesting. So please, don't be lazy and subscribe. I will be very pleased. As you can see, our pattern is quite large. But here is my hand, and here is the square. The size of the square is about 10 by 10 centimeters. No more than that. However, this is enough that from 10 or 9 such squares to bind one full side of the pillow. Such a pillow can be put in your car, for example. I think it's a great idea. Similar squares would make a great pillow. I'm sure it would. That's all for now. Put likes, subscribe to my channel and write comments. See you all again.